How to enable or disable show Bluetooth devices without names on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search show Bluetooth device without name. So scroll down and search from here. You will see show Bluetooth device without name is here. So if you want to enable show Bluetooth device without name, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see show Bluetooth devices without name is enabled. So if you want to disable show Bluetooth device without name, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see show Bluetooth devices without names is disabled. So you will enable or disable show Bluetooth devices without name is enable or disable from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show Bluetooth devices without names on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.